Maria Shine starts. So in the detailed class, already we have done this, and let's go through it with quick revision as in crash course. Circumspect, impetus, recalibrate. Okay, so the pronunciation is kindly speak everybody by muting itself. Circumspect, circumspect, circumspect.
Circumspect, circumspect, circumspect.
Impetus, impetus, impetus.
Impetus, impetus, impetus.
Recalibrate, recalibrate, recalibrate.
Recalibrate, recalibrate.
Okay, so when it comes to the grammar language, so we always give the name to that word. So for example, circumspect is comes into the quality, so it's adjective. So whenever you are going to praise somebody, so you are going to use circumspect. Okay, and impetus, it's a noun. Okay, when you are telling somebody she is the reason of being, that causing a driving force, so that is going to be impetus. Okay, recalibrate is an action itself. So whenever you are going to act upon it, okay, and that act is going to be recalibrate. So let's check it out, the meaning of each. Circumspect is a one of the intelligent personality who has a self control in himself or herself, and they take every decision with care, care, measured and unwilling, an unnecessary risk. Here are few sentences which can give you more idea upon it, that how the people can remain circumspect in their and how they give the circumspect response and circumspect approach according to their situation. So you can also make few sentences accordingly. And then impetus means driving force. When you accelerate action, when you get motivated by somebody and you try to do it faster, okay, a bit faster is the for learning this, for understanding this, we could understand a quick and faster, for understanding all of you, that circumspect एक समझदार इंसान जो सोच समझ के कोई काम करे और कम से कम रिस्क लेकर उसे जिंदगी में आगे बढ़े. Impetus itself, again the reason behind it, जिसकी वजह से आपकी गाड़ी चल पड़ती है. So the feedback provided impetus for change, and her decision become the impetus behind the expansion, and her success give the impetus to improve. And the recalibration, it's itself an amazing art of recalibration. Life में कोई भी task आए, फिर भी आप thoughtfully, strategically, you can take a plan, make a plan, and you can recalibrate accordingly. So we all need to recalibrate our priorities according to the situation. So here it goes in that way. Integrating circumspection. We have also done the tenses, right? Like, do you circumspect when you make your important decision? Does he, does she, do they, do we? Okay. Similarly, did I, did you, did he, and will I, will you, will he, future, and is MR, present continuous. So am I staying? Are you staying? And similarly, past continuous. Okay, was I staying? Were you staying? And then future, will I be? Will you be? And perfect, present perfect. Have I stayed? Have you stayed? Had I stayed? Past perfect. Will you have stayed? Future perfect. And have I been staying? Present perfect continuous. Have you been staying? Circumspect is going to be past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. Will you have been staying? Okay. And same it goes with the I stay, circumspect, or past I stayed, future I will stay, then I'm staying, present continuous. Similarly, you can practice it. We have already done this in detail class. Now let's move to the next one, channeling your impetus. If you go through the impetus, do you find impetus to improve after feedback? I find an impetus to grow from challenge. Okay. So this is how the sentences are there. Again, you can try did, will, in with all the tenses which we have practiced in the detail in the class. Then recalibrate. So again, do you recalibrate your plan when things change? Did you recalibrate? Continue with that. And similarly, you are going to respond. I recalibrate, I recalibrated, I will recalibrate, I'm recalibrating, I was recalibrating, I will be recalibrating, I have recalibrated, I had recalibrated, I will have recalibrated, I have been recalibrating, I had been recalibrating, I will have been recalibrating. Okay, in all the chances you can practice it. Then we have also done the conversation. If you remember, we have done the detailed conversation here. So I believe you all have gone through it. We are just recording it, so you can practice it once again. And if you want to note it down later after the class, you can check it out. Okay, so here we go with the whole conversation. So this is the conversation between Jordan ESC star 1 and ESC star 2. Okay. So now and then we have also, I have given you that you have to write the paragraph on what will you recalibrate first. And then second, do you recalibrate your plans when things change? And then how can three words reshape your future? Means recalibrate, circumspect, and impetus. These three words, how they reshape your future. And then there is a recalibrating our future, the mind in action. So you all can go through it, and first you all go through it, and then you make amazing paragraph of own yours. Okay, if you haven't made yet, and if you have made and I haven't checked it, so you can send it to me again. Okay, again a quick revision. Success requires a new mindset built on the pillars. So major thoughts, circumspect, motivated action, impetus, and masterful adoption, recalibrate. Okay, so this is how it meaning is also given. So the future belongs to those who thinks carefully, means who is circumspect, act courageously, means impetus, and adapt wisely, adapting itself for recalibrate wisely. Okay, so how to recalibrate our future? It is a common general paragraph. You can make it on your own also by yourself. Okay, then we have gone through the rap, and the rap is going to be soon with the beats also. So later you can practice it out. So my dear Shining Stars, go through it. We have already done the detailed class. Those who are watching differently, please join ESC Institute. We will be sharing the detailed class over there.